students, this is your book of grammar, okay, class 5. Today I will discuss finite and non-finite verb. This is video 6, okay. Already I have made 5 video on this chapter and I am going to make video 6, it means day 6, okay. Please try to see it. In last video I have discussed what is finite and non-finite verb. From here to here already I have discussed in the last video, okay. In this video you will know in detail non-finite verb, okay. You will know in detail what is non-finite verb, okay. So what is non-finite verb? I am going to discuss it. Non-finite verb. So non-finite verb, she likes dancing, okay. She likes. The non-finite verb are verb which don't change their form according to the tense, which don't change their form. Don't change their form means what? Okay. They will not change. They will not change their forms according to tense, okay. Just like subject or tense. These are called non-finite verb. For example, she likes dancing, okay. She likes dancing. Clear? She likes dancing. I like dancing. In above sentence, the verb dancing, to swim are not affected by tense. Are not affected by tense. Okay. It like to swim. He likes to swim. So there was and the verb dancing, to swim are not affected by the tense, number or person. They are non-finite verb. Okay. Page number 62. In another example, I am taking another example. Please see it. Suppose, please see. Suppose suppose a word is given. Please see it. I think you can see it. Suppose I want to go. I want to. Clear? I want to go. So I want to go. He wants to go, or he wanted to go. So to go, non-finite verb. Here, to go is non-finite verb. Clear? To go is non-finite verb because subject and tense are not affected. Okay. Because there is no any subject. There is no any subject. Okay. In non-finite verb. No subject of non-finite verb. Okay. There is no any subject of non-finite verb. But in finite verb, this is the difference. In finite verb, the non-finite verb. Okay. So there is a big difference between non-finite verb and finite verb. Is non-finite verb, there is no any subject, but in finite verb it had in finite verb subject. Subject will be given in finite verb. Finite verb. Okay, clear? For example, he wants to go. He wants to go. Clear? So here wants is given. Okay, he is what? He is subject. He is what? He is subject. But to go is not a subject. Okay, to go is not subject. To go is object. So here wants is finite verb. Clear? Wants is finite verb. And to go is non finite. Clear? So wants finite verb, to go non finite verb. Clear? So these are the examples. In this video I have discussed in detail what is finite verb and non finite verb. I will in next video I will discuss types of non finite verb. Types of non finite verb. Okay, in next video I will discuss it. Clear? Thanks for watching this video.